Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Qw33 and placing it within 1 meter of your phone. This reduces pairing errors. Open the companion app, sign in if required, and turn on Bluetooth. Make sure location is enabled so the app can scan. Once done, tap Add Device or scan in the app. The watch should appear as Qw33 or a numeric ID. If you see a PIN prompt, do not accept blindly. Verify the code on the watch screen before you confirm on the phone. After selecting Qw33, the app will exchange a PIN or pairing request. Accept it on both devices to establish a secure link. You should then grant permissions for notifications, contacts, and background activity so the watch can mirror alerts and sync health metrics. Make sure to initiate data sync, and if offered, update firmware. This fixes bugs and improves stability. If sync stalls, pause and retry the pairing sequence. Sometimes toggling Bluetooth on the phone clears the blockage. Finish by checking core functions. Notifications arrive, step count updates, and the watch shows correct time. This confirms a healthy connection. If something fails, unpair in the phone Bluetooth list and reset Bluetooth on the watch. Most Qw33 models have a reset network or Bluetooth reset option. Once reset, repeat the pairing steps. One key troubleshooting tip. If pairing repeatedly fails, restart both devices and clear the app cache, because lingering Bluetooth caches often block new connections.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.